This is the Volkswagen e-Golf, and if you need to install the child seat here on the front seat, especially the rear facing child seat, it's very important to deactivate that airbag, because otherwise it's gonna be like that. So your child may be flying all around the car with the seat if something happens, so if there is a collision. And it's important to deactivate this front airbag. How can you do that? In these vehicles it's still a manual deactivation, and you will need a key for that. So you open the passenger's door, and here you have the special switch. Insert the key, turn the switch to off position, and now the passenger's airbag is deactivated. Now you can install the rear facing child seat and drive, but then when you're done, don't forget to activate it back, because otherwise this airbag will not deploy in case of an accident. These vehicles, they don't have the automatic passenger's airbag deactivation, so you need to do this manually if you actually need it. But please remember that any child seat installed in the front seat is less safe than the child seat in the back seat.